Hello, fellow mechanical engineers. We are Group 7. My name is Ariadna. We also have Percy, Maran, and Raymond. And today we'll be discussing single-point threading and its significance to the real world.
So, what is single-point threading? Single-point threading is the concept of using a mechanical tool with a sharp single point on a workpiece to remove material from it. Using a single contact point while moving through a desired path adds threads to the workpiece. This path is usually made by rotating the workpiece and moving the tool across it at a specified speed. In most applications, a lathe would be used to spin and hold the workpiece, but in our instance, we used a drill, which has a chuck just like a lathe, and serves the same purpose. The process shown in the video spins the workpiece, while a tool is moved linearly through the workpiece, taking off chips and creating threads. Each time, the tool takes off a small amount of material in the desired threading pattern. To make deeper threads, you repeat the process, with increasing tool depth until you reach the desired threading. For internal threads, the process is the same, but a single point is kept inside the hole of the workpiece during the process.
Hi, my name is Raymond, and I will be talking about industry application.
Single-point threading is typically only used to create bolts and screws. Usually other methods are more efficient due to production time and cost. However, if a unique or custom piece with minimum threads is required, this method would be sufficient. The piece is created via external or internal threading depending on the usage. A piece that requires connection to a screw, such as nuts, needs internal threads. If workpieces like bolts, screws, or studs need to be manufactured, external threading is required.
Hello, my name is Percy, and I will be talking about why we should care about single-point threading. Most bolts and screws seen in everyday life are not made using single-point threading because, as stated before, there is a more efficient process of getting screws produced in bulk, known as the forming process. This is where a stationary die and a moving die are molded for specific and more common measurements for fasteners. As beneficial as it is to minimize the cost and time of production, it is limited due to the fact that it can only be made into one shape. This is why we care about single-point threading, because if a fastener needs to be designed to satisfy a specific torque requirement, single-point threading would be perfect in creating that fastener, because they are specially made for their specific systems. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you have a wonderful day.